Hi, this is DL Price, better known as YouTuber swimmer Nick's mom. And it is 4 days before Christmas. We live in Michigan and we are under a winter storm blizzard warning. I've been out since 10 o'clock this morning and I'm at our local grocery store, Meijer's, and the place has been packed because everybody's quick going out finishing Christmas shopping, which is in 4 days, and stocking up because once this blizzard hits, they say no travel for at least 2 days. Right now, the skies are clear, it's nice out, but it's coming. I just wanted to show everybody how busy it is, and I left early this morning. So after work, I imagine it's going to be extremely busy, and I will videotape when the blizzard hits. Merry Christmas, everybody.